Hello out there to you. Let's find the monopolist's profit maximizing quantity and price and output, which is quantity, given a table. So instead of a graph, we've got a table here. We see a lot of these with graphs, but we've got a table. We've got marginal cost information filled in. That's what MC stands for. MR is marginal revenue. So anytime you see M in a micro class, it means marginal, it means additional. Total revenue. So total revenue is found pretty easily. It's just price times quantity is going to equal total revenue. So price times quantity. Okay, so we're going to fill this in. We're going to find the marginal revenue, which is the change in total revenue divided by the change in quantity. Q is a little hard to read there. Change in total revenue divided by the change in quantity will give us marginal revenue. We're going to compare that to our marginal cost. So for what quantity does output maximize profit? That's where MR equals MC, or it's the last unit where marginal revenue is higher than marginal cost. Okay, so let's fill this in here. So this is selling 0. So if you sell 0, you get total revenue of 0. Next one, 105 times 5. I could probably do that in my head, but I'm looking at you guys. 525, it sounds right. This one I can do in my head. 90 times 10 is 900. This one is 1200. This is all, we're back to 900, and we're back to 0. If you don't charge anything, you don't make any revenue. Makes sense. Okay, marginal revenue is the change in total revenue. So it's the change in this divided by the change in this. Okay, divided by the change in quantity. So here we got 525, that's the numerator, divided by 5. So 525 divided by 5, that's 105. 105. Then we go from 525 to 900. So what is that? 900, whoops, 900 minus 525 is 375. And then the change in quantity is also 5. So we're going to divide that by 5. We get 75. Then we got a change in total revenue is 300. 300 divided by 10, I can do that in my head, it's 30. Now I've got a negative 300, so negative 300 divided by 10 is negative 30. And then here I got negative 900 divided by 10 is negative 90. That wasn't so bad. Does marginal revenue for the monopolist change as more output is sold? Yes. The reason is because they're changing the price, and that's going to change the quantity. Okay, so that's why. What quantity and output maximizes profit? So we're just going to compare these two values here. So the first one brings in marginal revenue of 105, marginal cost of 40. Yes, I want that one. Then this one is 75 and 70. Yes, I want that one. This one is marginal revenue 30, marginal cost of 100. No, no, no. Okay, so we're going to cut it off there, and we're going to produce a total of 10 units, because that's the last unit where our marginal revenue is higher than our marginal cost, and we're going to charge a quantity of 90, and that's how to solve that type of problem.